Most people think cloud AI is the only way to scale. They're wrong. Every time you feed proprietary business data into a cloud LLM, you're handing over your competitive advantage. You aren't just using a tool, you're creating a liability. We've spent the last 6 months stress testing local deployments for high-security business environments. From Llama 3 to Mistral, we've benchmarked the hardware, the latency, and the actual output quality. The verdict: local LLMs are no longer just for hobbyists, they are enterprise-ready. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to move your AI workflow off the cloud and onto your own hardware. We'll cover the optimal hardware stacks, from NVIDIA rigs to Mac Studio, and the step-by-step process to get Llama 3 and Mistral running locally. By the end of this guide, your data stays on your disk, your recurring API costs drop to zero, and your privacy becomes absolute. Think about the last time you pasted a client contract or a strategic roadmap into a cloud AI. It felt efficient, fast, but here is the reality. You just handed your most valuable intellectual property to a third party. Once that data hits the cloud, you lose control. Most providers reserve the right to use your inputs to train future models, your proprietary secrets. They are now part of a global dataset. Imagine a competitor asking the right prompt and receiving a response based on your asterisk internal strategy. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It is a structural vulnerability. And it is not just about training. It is about the breach. One security flaw at the provider level, and your entire company's prompt history is exposed to the open web. For a business owner or an IT lead, that is not just a technical glitch. It is a legal nightmare. GDPR violations, compliance failures, total loss of client trust. You are trading long-term security for short-term convenience. You are building your business on rented land, and the landlord has a key to your filing cabinet. The risk has officially outweighed the reward. The solution isn't to stop using AI. It's to stop sending your secrets to someone else's server. You need a local LLM. This means the model lives on your hardware. Your data never leaves your building. No training on your proprietary code. No leaks. Total sovereignty. Now, 3 years ago, this required a PhD and a supercomputer. Today, it takes 5 minutes. Let's get into the stack. First, the hardware. This is your engine. If you're on Windows or Linux, you need VRAM. That's why NVIDIA RTX GPUs are the gold standard. The more VRAM, the larger the model you can run. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, the Mac Studio or Mac Pro with M2 or M3 Ultra is a beast because of unified memory. It lets the AI tap into massive amounts of RAM. Don't have the budget for a $5,000 rig? Use a dedicated cloud GPU provider like Lambda Labs or RunPod. It's still local in the sense that you're renting a private instance. You control the environment. You delete the data when you're done. Second, the software. You need a way to talk to the model. For most of you, I recommend Llama. It's lightweight and runs in the background. If you prefer a visual interface, something that looks like ChatGPT, go with LM Studio. It's a one-click install, no coding required. Third, the models. This is the brain. Right now, Llama 3 is the king of versatility. It's incredibly smart and handles complex reasoning. But if you need something leaner and faster for specific tasks, Mistral AI is the way to go. It's punchy, efficient, and highly capable. Here is your step-by-step implementation. Step 1, download Llama. Step 2, open your terminal. Step 3, type Llama run Llama 3. That's it. Your computer is now downloading the model weights. Once it finishes, you have a world-class AI running entirely offline. Think about the implications. You can now feed it your entire client list, your internal financial spreadsheets, your secret product roadmap. You get the productivity of AI with zero of the liability. This is how the most secure firms in 2026 are operating. They aren't waiting for OpenAI to promise privacy. They're building their own fortress. Now let's talk hardware. To run Llama 3 or Mistral at production speeds, VRAM is king. If you're building a dedicated workstation, I recommend the NVIDIA RTX series for raw power, or the Mac Studio for unified memory efficiency. Not ready to drop thousands on hardware? Use a secure cloud GPU provider like Lambda Labs or RunPod to test your workflows first. All my recommended specs are linked in the description. The result: your proprietary data never leaves your control. No more worrying about OpenAI training on your client lists or leaked API keys. You get frontier-level intelligence with the security of a locked vault. If you're ready to stop being a product for big tech and start owning your infrastructure, hit that subscribe button. We're decoding AI automation every week. See you in the next one.